Hey guys, Mark Barry here. So I want to show you how to do a DIY fire starter just using cotton balls and petroleum jelly. There's two ways you can do this. You can actually knead the jelly onto the cotton ball itself with a spoon, your fingers, or you can do what I do. You can just melt it down, not boiling, but just, it melts quick, so it doesn't need a lot of heat. Just take like a pair of pliers or whatever you have, and you can just dip the cotton balls right into the jelly, the melted jelly, and then put it into a bowl. I put it into a bowl, aluminum foil and not paper towel, because paper towel is going to soak up some of the jelly. So just let them sit for probably 10 or 15 minutes. Let them absorb. And then the reason we get the Altoid case is because you can actually store these right into here, and if you end up running out of balls, if you're in the backcountry, you can actually just use this Altoid for truck hauls. So it's kind of a nice little double whammy there. So you can actually put these into here just like so. You can stack, I think I've gotten 6 to 8 in there, or and then close them up and you can put them in a baggie, or you can put the balls in a baggie itself and put those into the canister, and then put the canister in another baggie just for double protection. If you compare the side-by-side balls from a kneaded ball to a soaked ball with the melted jelly, the melted jelly is it lasts a little longer and it's a slower flame opposed to the other one. It lights up real quick, and then it slowly goes down and it burns up to a black ball pretty quickly.
And as always, thanks for watching.